Update that's coming in right now from Andhra Pradesh. In fact, Jagan's failed student jibe is something that we're talking about now. Jagan has now targeted Chandrababu Naidu. Jagan has said that Chandrababu Naidu couldn't deliver 10% of what he promised. In fact, Jagan Mohan Reddy has said that students like him don't fear any exams, and it is people like Chandrababu Naidu who cannot compete with himself. Now, this is Jagan Mohan Reddy that is, of course, taking a jibe at Chandrababu Naidu. Listen in to what Jagan Mohan Reddy had to say.
మంది జత కట్టి వచ్చినా కూడా వాళ్ళందరికీ తెలియని విషయం ఒకటి ఉంది. 99 మార్కులు తెచ్చుకున్న స్టూడెంట్ 99 మార్కులు తెచ్చుకున్న స్టూడెంట్ పరీక్షలకు భయపడతాడా అని అడుగుతా ఉన్నాను. అటువైపున గతంలో వాళ్ళు పరీక్షలు రాసినప్పుడు 10 మార్కులు కూడా తెచ్చుకోని స్టూడెంట్ పరీక్ష పాస్ అవుతాడా అని అడుగుతా ఉన్నాను. ఎన్నికల మేనిఫెస్టోను ఓ బైబిల్ గాను, ఓ ఖురాన్ గాను, ఒక భగవద్గీత గాను భావిస్తూ ఏకంగా 99% వాగ్దానాలు నెరవేర్చిన మన విశ్వసనీయత ముందు 10% వాగ్దానాలు కూడా తన హయాంలో ఎప్పుడు నెరవేర్చని మోసం చేసిన బాబు ఆయన కూటమి నిలబడగలుగుతుందా అని అడుగుతా ఉన్నాను. ఈ సందర్భంగా గట్టిగా రెండు చేతులు ఇలా పైకెత్తారు, రెండు చేతులు పైకెత్తి ఇలా 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 ఇలా.
In fact, Soumit continues to be on the broadcast with us. Soumit, this is of course Jagan Mohan Reddy who's taking a clear jibe at Chandrababu Naidu. We are looking at how this is going to be a two-way contest. On one hand, you have the BJP, Janasena and the TDP that will be taking on Jagan Mohan Reddy. Help us understand what it's going to be like as far as the Lok Sabha battle in Andhra Pradesh is concerned.
Well, situation, political fight in Andhra Pradesh is becoming interesting day by day because the state is nearing the elections and even not just Lok Sabha, but the state is also heading for the assembly polls. And that makes more interesting because the parties are on ground. They have started the campaigning for the assembly, for the Lok Sabha. One side, YSRCP is going along. The other side, the NDA alliance is there where, even seat sharing has been sailed between the BJP, TDP and the Janasena. So, the fight, the political war between, both the parties are on. And while TDP is alleging that YSRCP has failed in the governance at the side, Jagan Mohan Reddy is directly attacking the TDP, stating that Babu has failed and even not delivered 10% of the promises he has made during the last elections. And after, winning the last elections. So basically, he has said that this time, YSRCP is confident and because, we have scored well, we have scored 99 marks and, we are the students who have scored a very good marks, so we are confident. So Babu hasn't scored very much when, that is the reason they are not confident. So basically, he has attacked the Chandrababu Naidu for not implementing the promises after winning the 2014 elections.